This is the Vivo X200 Ultra, and it might just redefine the way we see flagship smartphones. Vivo has gone all out, sleek, ultra premium, and packed with innovation. But does it truly live up to the hype? At its core, the Snapdragon 9 Gen 3, paired with LPDDR5X RAM, delivers lightning-fast performance. Whether it's gaming, multitasking, or handling intensive AI tasks, this phone breezes through it all. And this display? A stunning 6.8-inch LTPO AMOLED panel with a 144Hz refresh rate, unparalleled smoothness, and vivid colors. Let's talk about that camera setup. A 1-inch primary sensor, custom-tuned Zeiss optics, and a variable aperture system. This isn't just a phone camera, it's a full-fledged pocket DSLR. From mind-blowing night photography to cinematic 8K video recording, Vivo is setting new standards. And battery? 5,500 mAh with 100-watt wired and 50-watt wireless charging, so you never have to worry about power. So, is the Vivo X200 Ultra the ultimate flagship? It's powerful, premium, and packed with industry-leading tech. But is it worth the price? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more epic smartphone reviews. See you in the next one.